empty silence once the doors are let. Easy words and music that you won't forget. A lifetime of exceptions and a year of clothes. The vacuum on the carpet over Cheerios. Kneeling by the microphone and reading signs. Watching all that water never turn to wine. All who are unworthy now have been exposed. They won't know you're looking when their eyes are closed. Leave them now, they're happy where they are. Leave them now, they'll watch you from afar. It is God's will that you're lonely tonight. It is all part of His plan.